Kuyang April, sir, go ahead. I am
Thank you.
very worshipful, Kuyang April, past master, current
I'm now River Park.
River Park, and you are
Secretary-elect of River Park Lodge.
congratulations. And past grand
Past
steward,
Past Grand Secretary, Toronto West District.
and also initiated pass and race in the
Philippines.
Philippines. And the name of the lodge,
Yeah. Lincoln Lodge, number 34.
Lincoln Lodge, and very active in Shriners and not anymore.
I did not continue anymore.
And
No more planners. I just focus on the...
and from Manila Bank, Cabanatuan.
Manila Bank and CIBC.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Happy to meet again. Very worshipful, sir. Thank you.